I just picked up my BoxyCharm for November 2017 and I wanted to film a quick unboxing because I'm so excited and I have to leave for work in like 15 minutes. So we're just gonna go right up in here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Sweater weather. Alright. I feel like this was like the, oh my god, my box is like falling apart. Okay, cool. The box is like not even together. Okay, so I think this was like one of the, was this the big ticket item on here? Actually, no. It's the second, but it's the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I'm normally pretty oily, so I don't know that, I mean, I'll try this. I might love it. Laqa Co Cloud Lips in shade Storm. Why do they send me brown things? I can't tell. Okay, just kidding, it's not brown. But it looks brown, does it not? It looks brown, but it's this color. I'm not mad at it. Let's see what else. Okay, so we got the Luxie, what are these, the quad travel? They're little babies. I have one, I think I got it in an Ipsy. This is a regular size Luxie brush. And I think I have, yeah, another one, foundation brush. Look at me. So the travel ones, and these were the most expensive items in there. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Well, this looks like the exact same brush that I have, but I have the full-size one. See this one here? These are the exact same brush, but I just have the regular size one too. They're so cute. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I use these. You get like a little flat brush. This looks just like a blending brush. No, these aren't the same. And this kind of looks more like a packing brush, but it's not that short. It's a little taller. Yeah, I got 3 of these. Is that normal? Did everyone get 3 of these? All natural collagen infused lip mask. Okay. Conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. Okay. Okay. And then last thing in here is the WinkyLux Kitten Palette. Oh my god. This is so stinking cute. Like all the little kittens on here, and I love the gold. I love gold. I don't know if you can tell. Okay. Alright. This, it didn't come with a cover on it, surprisingly. So it did get a little messy, but that's okay. The magnets on it, I feel, are really strong. Okay. So cool. It looks like you got like a transition shade here, a highlight shade here, and then like all these colors that you can play with. Here are the names here if you really want to know. Oh look, and they're cruelty free. That's awesome. Okay, cool. That's all I'm gonna do for my unboxing video because I don't want it to go too long. Alright, peace y'all. Y'all have a great day. So I think what I'll end up doing is, since I got all this stuff, I think I'll film like a try on stuff with it later. Maybe later tonight. I don't know. We'll see. Just wanted to say that. Okay, so I'm back now. It's been, how long has it been? Probably like 8 hours since I had my little, I guess first impression unboxing of all my BoxyCharm stuff. I've been thinking about how I want to use all these things, and I really think that I'm going to give these away because granted I need more eyeshadow brushes, but they're just so tiny. They're so tiny. Like, I'm not going to be happy using this. So, I think I'm going to give them to my sister. I usually give my sister stuff that I don't really like. That sounds bad. But I give her things that, you know, I don't necessarily use anymore or whatever, and she likes it for the most part. So, but I did kind of want to test everything else out. So I'm not going to use these obviously because I just want to give them to her like in the packaging. So set those aside for her. But I will try. I don't know that I want to try these on camera. I don't know. I might try them later and film it. We'll see how it goes. No promises. But I will try the Laqa Cloud Lips, the eyeshadow, and the Illuminating setting spray. So if you care, I was using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Okay, so I'm just gonna go, I guess, in this shade here, which is called Strut. And I'm just gonna, oh, okay. All right, I just want to notice all this kick up here. I'm gonna go in with this shade down here, which is called Cheshire. Going a little tiny blending brush. Okay, and then I think I want to go in with this color, which is called Romeo. Are you kidding me? Like, this is turning out awful. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Holographic, which when I swatched these, I really, really liked this color. So okay, let's ignore this part of my eye right now. I don't know how I feel about this right now. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is called Duchess. I like those two shades, the last two. This one and this one I liked. These two, why you gotta do me like that? Why? Okay, so now that I've done my best to kind of fix this, which this is also kind of a shadow too, for my hat. Oh, I think I'm even getting eyeshadow on my hat. Okay, we're... Okay. Gonna look a little bit like a tomboy real quick, but whatever. Don't care, don't care. Okay. So now I'm still... I'm gonna go still back in here, and then I'm gonna go in with this brown shade called Boots. Actually, no, I lied. I think I want to go in with this one, which is called 9 Lives. So it's a very pretty. I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush and just kind of Oh my god, my contacts. I feel like I have some thoughts on this, and like I don't know, I don't use like a ton of eyeshadow, and so I feel like I don't feel like I have the right to judge this so harshly. But I don't know. I just can't get over these two shades right here. I was really mad about those, and I really liked those. Like, that's one of my favorite colors to wear. So the like maroon shades. Why God, fuck, why? Okay, so let me go and apply some eyeliner really quick and try and salvage this a little bit. Okay, so now that I've applied eyeliner and some more mascara, I mean, yeah, I still don't like those maroon colors. Okay, so now let's try, I can grab my mirror again. We're gonna try this lip color, which it looked brown here, but then I swatched it and it looked kind of maroon. So this might not match. But we'll see. Let's see how this messy, and it layers. Like, the more you put on, I feel like the darker it gets, which I'm not mad at, but like I'm trying to make it even, and it will still like kind of go out of like the section where I had it, and it'll make another light layer. So I guess I just need to clean it up with concealer, and we'll see how it does, because okay, it's cleaner now that I've cleaned it up with concealer. May have been better to do lip liner underneath this too. I think it might have been making this a little bit more, not, I don't know, I feel like it is kind of patchy, but you see it's really clinging to the dry spots on my lips, even though I did exfoliate this morning, but it was this morning, and I did wear a matte today. So I don't know, I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX illuminating setting spray. Now, I did spray this earlier just like in the air, and I feel like the spray is so nice. You need to, it's like it basically forces you to spray it slowly, and so I feel like it takes forever to actually get on your face. Just let me fan myself, because I'm like, I just hit myself in the face. That hurt pretty bad. Okay, so I normally have oily skin, and so I wasn't sure if this was something that I would actually want to use or not. Now, I've never really used too many illuminating products, so I don't know if this is like supposed to make it look like you have oily skin. I don't know. but my face has been pretty matte all day. My foundation was actually putting up pretty well today. And I don't know if it's because it still feels sticky. I'm not hating it, but I'm not like loving it either. Like my face still feels kind of sticky. We'll see. Okay, so I'll conclude this section right here with these products. Yeah, y'all know how I feel. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, it's the morning and I'm tired. I just woke up. So, but I was gonna try this before I went to work today. I don't know. We'll just kind of see. Oh God. Okay, so it literally was dripping everywhere. It comes in like this little plastic thing. Okay. I was not anticipating that. It just says apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. So I guess you just do. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, which is the recommended time, I guess 15 to 20 minutes. It just feels really watery. I don't really feel, I don't know. I don't really like this box, if I'm being honest.